In this video, we will show you how to get laptop MAC address. In laptop, usually have minimum 2 MAC address because in laptop, we have Wi-Fi and also we have LAN card. Okay, to see your laptop MAC address, first you can using the command prompt. Just find command prompt and open it. Okay, then you can type ipconfig space /all like this. And when you hit enter, all of the MAC address of your laptop will appear. Be careful in this list. This is wireless LAN adapter. So this is your laptop MAC address using Wi-Fi. Okay. You can find the physical address. This is for the Wi-Fi for MAC address. And you need to also find the Ethernet adapter. Okay. If you select Ethernet adapter, it means the adapter that usually we using the LAN cable. Okay, so this is the physical address or MAC address. Okay, this is first and this is the second. Okay, usually you will have more than 2 MAC address if you have application like VirtualBox, VMware, or another application that will create virtual operating system. The second method that you can view your MAC address is just open the settings, different settings on your laptops. Okay, and select network and internet. After that, if you want to see the Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi card or MAC address, just select hardware properties here. And you will find the physical address or MAC address here. If for LAN card, back to network and internet and go to Ethernet. This is the MAC address for your LAN card. Both is your MAC address. Okay, so don't be confused of that. That's tutorial how to find laptop MAC address. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.